Hello guys, this is Ashley from the Crazy Explorers, and today I'm doing an intro for you guys. We recently went to a house, not saying its location because vandals and all that sort. That's a blooper, don't see that shit. But the video is called Train House, I think it was, and this is the intro for it. As you know, I am the owner of Crazy Explorer's son, Ashley. I do have my own YouTube channel. The link will be in the description. It's a gaming channel and some animation channel. Peace, enjoy the video.
Oh, but I don't like this.
Just sit slightly.
No, I want to see.
You don't know what's talking, man. Oh, I didn't realise, sorry, I was just picking my penis the last hour.
I must admit, the water's dropped since we last come
I
here.
don't know, that's quite deep still.
Yeah, we'll start. Okay, can we go together, please? I don't mind it.
Where are you?
No, I'm just having a quick look down here.
What's that gym now?
Properly.
Come here. We're all staying together.
I can.
Yes, it's cold.
No, I come in. No, but something moving on is there.
I've lost my camera lens cover.
Where?
Don't know. Probably somewhere in the car. I hope. It's a shame it's flooded, isn't it?
I have to get wellies.
No, that's too
You're
deep.
too deep to go in there.
Right, come on.
We all stick together because I've got an uneasy feeling.
Well, I
Probably
like-
don't like it in here.
I don't like it in there for some reason. I don't normally like everything.
We're going round this way first.
Go that way, go to the way you said that old building, but... Yeah, you can use your portrait photos. Because my flash is dying.
Got backup batteries in. I'm recording, so
Are you recording?
yeah.
What about our thingy?
Well, intro.
Starter pack, yeah.
I'll do the starter packet when I get
The
home.
water's moving.
Why?
Or when we get outside.
The water's moving.
Like it's something's just moved in it.
Yeah, I threw something down there.
Right, should we make it over here together?
It's pitch black.
I know, but we've got a great big torch. Well, how much was that?
What, this?
Yeah.
$11.99.
Well, I should probably get a couple of them.
I'm going to get 2 more. Because they can join up on this thing.
Yes, I know.
Right, this is the kitchen I was on about, the size of it.
There's a door over there. What?
Well, I thought everyone, because I've got an uneasy feeling, you don't feel like me, and they're still...
They're alright, them two, they're together.
They're together. As long as there's someone together, I don't care. As long as we're not on our own. Right, this is the building that you was on about. Look, there's a door there. Come on. Can you two stay together if you're not going to come with us?
No, right.
Come on, Tina, be on there.
How they go? He's fun. Who's fucking fun? Have a go, he's fun.
It's fun. Oh, bro. There's steps. Oh,
They go upstairs.
I didn't see that. Do you want to go first, Craig? Yeah. Okay, can you go first with a torch, please? Just so we get a brief view of... Come on, let me have it behind you.
That's all it is, just a little...
Oh, the bathroom.
going to stay right. You should have known, you should have brought masks. We've got asbestos in.
I live in the car.
We've got chest pain.
Mom, have a tip. It's fine.
Yo guys, we've brought the team to an abandoned building in Bedford at the moment. It's quite cool. It's very, very, very sketchy in here. So yeah, let's carry on looking around.
A little secret room, I love this.
Nice bit of graffiti.
Love you. Love you.
Love you.
Love you. You.
Wow.
There you go, Craig, look. Why do I always get that beam of light?
Because it's the...
No, I get it everywhere.
What were you saying about that?
It's like something's interfered with your camera.
I've seen it, but not seen anything else.
How fucking weird that?
Not bad guys, 2 videos in one day. You guys are very, very intrigued. Very lucky people. Right, we're going downstairs now.
Yeah, please.
Do you want to go first? Because I've got the light from behind.
No, I'll follow you.
Just follow me light.
Yeah, well, you got 2 carry. It's 20 there. I feel it.
So nice to have unlimited daytime. Could do a few more lives now when we're out.
Why have you done it double? Because it's hard to get pictures because the normal that goes past. And the one went up. What's in there?
Ooh. Look up there, look, there's more up there.
I can hear voices. No, I can hear voices.
It's police. Clickbaited. Right.
Since we've come in this way,
Hello? Whoa.
you know it, Craig.
What?
We've been in there, Craig. Come on.
Yeah, I've done up there.
Since we've been in this
No,
way,
there,
I've
right?
got chest pain.
Come in here, let's have a look together. Oh, look in here, let's come here.
Another like living room. I think these batteries are dying now. Yeah, they are.
get another one for backup. Is Thomas the Tank Engine in here?
Thomas? It's probably Thomas. Little butterfly, little butterfly. I think they're just sleeping. Come on, you. We have a friend.
I can't do the picture because of your light.
What's that we found?
A bit torn up.
Trying to see what he is.
Is he dead?
No, he's alive, but... Oh, they're admirals. They're not, they're admirals. I thought they might have been tortoises.
Oh, take him with us and do my car insurance.
There you go, sit on there.
Why is he not moving?
Because he doesn't want to.
That's dead.
Where'd he go? No, he ain't. Here he is. Wants to come with us. Come on then. Come on.
Well, the boy coming in and couldn't get out.
There you go. Have a friend. Butterfly Park. Take him with you. And tell everyone about your new friends. Is he still there? He is as well. Oh.
That train? Didn't I just missed the train?
Next stop, Bletchley Park.
Right. You got that video?
Don't go in there, babe. It's not safe.
Mum! You got that video? My new parrot. My new friend. Huh? My new friend. No, I'm doing it. Huh?
Why is that swinging? Could be
No,
blue.
why is that there? Time to die. It was a baseball bat and assholes.
Players.
New friend.
Players, everyone on live stream.
Why am I picking up voices?
Because it's probably us not talking.
I named him. I've named him Bert the Butterfly.
30. We didn't see this bit, me and Ashley. That must have been a wet room. You wouldn't have tiles in the bedroom, would you?
Well, new fashion, isn't it?
The demons. Oh, hello, what's this?
Which one's the room with the hole in it?
Oh, that's a bit sketchy. And we've gone a bit blurry. Why, I do not know. Oh, there we go, guys. Bloody torch batteries have died. That must have been like a little toiletry. Oh, hello, it goes down a hole. Big fucking attic. Excuse my French, everyone. Just watch where you're walking because the roof ceiling caved in on me and Con nearly.
No, fuck that, man. It boded well back for me.
Carry. Just the same.
What if it was from your side?
The only windows that ain't really been damaged are these ones. Look. Let's help. No, I'm joking. We don't do damage. Don't believe in all that rubbish.
My butterfly left me.
Let's go and find you another one.
Yeah.
What's in here then?
What? No thanks.
What's there? Look. I'm going round this side to have a look. That brings you into another looking like a wet room. This is a shower room. Has to be a shower room. What do you think, guys? Let us know. I think it's obvious because there's taps over there.
Where did you get them?
Yeah, you got to watch the flooring.
No, I didn't take a picture.
Someone's been here and had a poo-poo. There's wildlife animals living in here.
Is there?
Poo-poo.
Oh, poo-poo.
Winnie the Pooh. Have a club. Sponsor me, club. You know you want to. Please. I would like a year's supply of club bars. What's in there? Didn't see this bit. I'd love to own this premises.
Have you seen that thing in there? The demons are in my head. I must cut my head.
They're cutting 3.
Yeah.
666.
All the 6s. 6 for the 6.
They're everywhere.
Hey, there's a yard brush. There you go. We'll sweep up the garden. I'm taking this with me.
That's Carrie's family brush.
I'm taking it home.
Why?
I'll use it from the back garden.
Can you actually?
Yeah, just look. Sweep my garden. Just what I choose. I'm really taking the broom home. Swap that for a draft. Alright.
Don't go!
Please don't go. My light's dead. My batteries are in the car.
What do you
Am
want?
I the only one that can smell sick?
Triple A's.
Huh?
I can smell sick. No, it's like someone's just been sick. Maybe sick.
Getting darker, guys.
The cameras are starting.
Leave now.
Yeah, these
Connor,
lights
go
are
that
dying.
way. Come here. Watch this. Taking a picture there. Look at all that.
What's wrong with mine? I can't take any more pictures.
Because you're recording. Very, very headachy in here.
I've got chest pain since we've been in here. No one.
Because we are slowly dying.